Hello everyone, welcome to Red Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium Schools. Today we are going to study subject Science and Technology Part 1, Lesson number 2, Periodic Classification of Elements, Standard 10, Video number 8. Before studying the another point, we are going to study about the previous knowledge. The periodic trains in only three properties of elements, namely valency, atomic size, and metallic and non-metallic characters. Valency. The valency of an element is determined by the number of electrons present in the outermost shell of its atoms, that is, the valence electrons. In a period, while going from left to right, the atomic number increases by 1 at a time, and the number of valence electron also increases by 1 at a time. All the elements in a group have the same number of valence electrons. Therefore, elements in the same group have the same valency. Today we are going to study the atomic size. The size or a volume is a fundamental property of matter. Atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus of atom and its outermost shell. Atomic radius is expressed in the unit picometer, which is a smaller than nanometer. 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 meter. Some elements and their atomic radii are given here. Elements oxygen, boron, carbon, nitrogen, beryllium and lithium. And the atomic radius are the oxygen 66, boron 88, carbon 77, nitrogen 74, beryllium 111 and the lithium is 152. Use your brain power. There are some questions. By referring to the modern periodic table, find out the periods to which the above elements belongs. And the answer is the above elements belongs to the period 2. Arrange the above elements in a decreasing order of their atomic radii. Answer is elements are lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. And the atomic radius of these are lithium 152, beryllium 111, boron 88, carbon 77, nitrogen 74 and oxygen 66. They are in decreasing order of their atomic radii. The next question, does this arrangement match with the pattern of the second period of the modern periodic table? As we move from left to right within a period, the atomic number increases by 1 means the position charge of the nucleus increases by 1 unit at a time. But the electrons are added to the same orbit, thereby increasing the pull towards the nucleus, which decreases the size of the atom. Which of the above elements have the biggest and the smallest atom? The biggest atom is lithium and the smallest atom is oxygen. What is the periodic trend observed in the variation of atomic radius while going from left to right within a period? While going from left to right in a period, atomic number increases. So the atomic radius is decreases. Some elements and their atomic radii are given here. Elements and atomic radius. Potassium, the atomic radius is 231, sodium 186, rubidium 244, cesium 262 and lithium 152. Use your brain power. By referring to the modern periodic table, find out the groups to which above elements belongs. Yes, the above elements belongs to the group 1. Arrange the above elements vertically downward in an increasing order of atomic radii. The above elements arranged vertically downward in an increasing order of atomic radii. First is the lithium. The atomic radius is 152. Then the sodium 186, potassium 231, rubidium 244 and cesium is 262, and they are in increasing order of their atomic radii. Does this arrangement match with the pattern of the group 1 of the modern periodic table? This arrangement match with the pattern of the group 1 of the modern periodic table in an increasing order of atomic radii. Which of the above elements have the biggest and the smallest atom? The biggest atom is cesium and the smallest atom is lithium. What is the periodic trend observed in the variation of atomic radii down a group? While going down a group, atomic number increases. Atomic radius also increases. Therefore, atomic size gradually increases. Then the atomic size. While going from left to right within a period, the atomic number increases by 1. Meaning the positive charge on the nucleus increases by 1 unit at a time. However, the additional electron get added to the same outermost shell. Due to the increased nuclear charge, the electrons are pulled towards the nucleus to a greater extent, and thereby the size of the atom decreases. While going down a group, a new shell is added. Therefore, the distance between the outermost shell electron and the nucleus goes on increasing. As a result of this, the atomic size increases in spite of the increased nuclear charge. Within a period, the atomic number increases 1 by 1. So, the positive charge of this nucleus is increases by at a 1 unit. However, the additional electrons gets added to the same outermost shell. There is a same outermost shell. Due to the increased nuclear charge, the electrons are pulled towards the nucleus to a greater extent. And while going down a group, a new shell is added. Therefore, the distance between the outermost electron and the nucleus goes on increasing. As a result of this, atomic size increases in spite of this, the increased nuclear charge. Thank you.